Hey everyone, I'm Emily Carter, and welcome back to Stock Stories, where we uncover the real narratives behind the numbers. Today we're talking about one of the most important players in the clean energy revolution, Albemarle Corporation, ALB, the world's largest lithium producer. After months of struggle and falling lithium prices, Albemarle may finally be at a turning point. Let's break down what's happening and whether this could be the start of a comeback. Albemarle isn't just another mining company, it's a true chemistry powerhouse driving the future of energy. At the heart of its business is the energy storage division, which produces lithium for the batteries that power electric vehicles and renewable energy systems. Alongside that sits its specialties segment, focused on bromine and advanced materials used in electronics and fire safety applications. And finally, the Ketjen division develops refinery catalysts that help produce cleaner fuels. In short, Albemarle's chemistry touches everything from your car to your smartphone, quietly powering the transition toward a more sustainable world. Let's look at the numbers. In Q2 2025, Albemarle generated $1.3 billion in revenue and $336 million in adjusted EBITDA, both higher than the previous quarter. Lithium volumes grew 15%, and the company returned to positive momentum after one of the toughest years in its history. Earnings per share came in at $0.11, and management confirmed that free cash flow should finally turn positive this year. A huge relief for investors. Albemarle is now in cash discipline mode. They've slashed capex by more than 50%, down to $700–800 million, and are prioritizing high-return projects only. Their 2025 guidance, $4.9 to $5.2 billion in sales and $0.8–1.0 billion in EBITDA, assuming lithium prices stay around $9 per kilogram. The company's focus has shifted from rapid expansion to profitable sustainability. They want to survive this low-price cycle and come out leaner, stronger, and cash positive. Let's talk about where Albemarle operates. In Australia, they're expanding the Kemerton lithium hydroxide plant and Wodgina mine. In Chile, their Salar de Atacama agreement now runs until 2043. With options to expand production under stricter environmental standards. And in the US, they've restarted exploration at Kings Mountain, North Carolina, one of the few potential domestic lithium sources in America. They also have a major supply deal with Ford, more than 100,000 tons of lithium hydroxide from 2026 to 2030. That's long-term revenue visibility right there. Now, about lithium prices. After collapsing from their 2023 highs, they've stabilized between $9,000 and $9,600 per ton. It's not great, but it's stable. And that stability is finally allowing Albemarle to plan again. Analysts expect the second half of 2025 to bring modest price recovery as new EV launches hit the market and some Chinese producers scale back. Looking ahead, there's a lot to be optimistic about. The long-term demand for electric vehicles and large-scale energy storage solutions continues to rise, giving Albemarle a strong growth runway. Its global network of operations across the US, Chile, and Australia provides flexibility and resilience against local disruptions, while recent cost-cutting and capital spending discipline have strengthened the balance sheet. On top of that, strategic supply agreements with automakers such as Ford ensure stable demand and predictable cash flow for years to come. But there are also real challenges. Lithium prices could fall again if new supply floods the market, and environmental regulations, especially in Chile and the United States, might slow project approvals. Delays in optimizing plants like Kemerton or reopening Kings Mountain could also postpone returns. In essence, Albemarle stands at a crossroads. If it can execute efficiently while prices stabilize, the company could emerge from this down cycle stronger than ever. Technically, the stock trades around $96, up about 5% recently. It's still well below its 52-week high of $114, but the momentum looks stronger, hinting that sentiment might be shifting. Keep your eyes on lithium spot prices, Kings Mountain's permitting progress, and any new OEM contracts. Those three factors will determine if this rally has legs or if it's just a dead cat bounce. So, is Albemarle a comeback story in the making, or just a pause before the next dip? Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a new stock story. And if there's a specific stock you'd like me to dive deeper into, write it in the comments. I'd love to analyze it for you in one of the next videos. Thanks for watching. I'm Emily Carter, and I'll see you in the next one.